Eating mushrooms is the new trend when it comes to healthy diet. And we are proud that Zamboanga has a farm to offer supply of fresh mushrooms for everyone. Fácil lang el manera de cocir Fresh RuRu Mushrooms como esta recipe que hay prepara kita. El RuRu Mushrooms con Pechay. This program is brought to you by RuRu Mushrooms. Freshness guaranteed. Alright, sir. How is this?
Okay, this is a very simple dish. It has common ingredients, pechay with mushrooms, onion, little ginger, and chili. That's it, and of course, garlic.
Garlic.
I love garlic. And that's it. Combine them together. Very simple. So we'll start by cutting the mushroom, starting them as we cut the onions and everything else. So to prepare the mushroom, if it's really big, you can cut the stem in half because it takes longer. This one is big. You just cut it in half like this. And when we're cooking it, we want to make sure that this part is touching the pan.
What I like about this mushroom, we have the three colors. We have white, the yellow one, and the pink one. These are actually varieties of RuRu mushrooms that we can buy here at RuRu Mushroom Farm, located at Lumiaf, Divisoria.
Look here. See, it starts turning brown. This is very important. This is the time when you know you can mix them. Turn them all up, and you'll see there's a lot of brown, and they're pretty much cooked. Now we can add the other ingredients because this is what takes it most. Ta-da! Okay. There. Now we have those flavors infused. So when we add this and let it saute a little bit. It's almost finished. That's why we're adding the spices a little. And we can add salt. Not much because we'll add a little soy sauce, but it's about a teaspoon of salt. Yeah, the stems are a little cooked. Then we can add the stems and cook them for 1 more minute. These don't take much to cook at all. Or we can add water, of course. That's all the water we need. And now we can add this. We'll add it, it'll be a little stronger, but these guys can live with it. And add it at the beginning. Now advice, don't touch your eyes after cutting chili. Or any other parts of your body.
It will stay.
It will stay. Okay, here we'll put that in. Okay. Soy sauce and a little bit of vinegar.
Ahora ay prueba kita el de aton Pechay mushroom recipe. Juicy, very juicy. Can complement el sabor del pechay pati el mushroom, and then el mushroom diaton very meaty. Dolta ko milan tu manok pero mushroom galikal very healthy for everyone. So probaw sa des mga bibientes de Zamboanga.
That program is brought to you by RuRu Mushrooms, freshness guaranteed.